So first of all, go to here, new project, hit new project, and here you can write the project's name. For example, let's call it RGB ring test. Hit enter to create. In here, because we're using the RGB ring, we need to download a driver to control all the lights. So hit this icon here, click extensions, and search for NeoPixel. There we go. Click on NeoPixel and there we go. The driver is installed right here. Click on that. We need to use some blocks here to control the light. The first one we need is this. First one. Put it in here and set the pin in pin 2. We have 24 LEDs on the ring, so keep it intact. Don't change the number. But we do need to change the pin number in the pin 2. To show all the color, light up all the LED, we can use this block right here. If you want to use the rainbow color, use this one instead. For this example, let's use show color. There's one more thing. Here we decided to show color red on all 24 RGB lights, but we need one more block to show and update the light. So this block is a must-have if you want to update the color. And with this done, you can click download, then your RGB ring should be able to show red color.